Hey you guys, so today videos we gonna roll a fruit. So look at my money and my levels is currently okay. So now let's go to Turtle Mansion so we can roll. Okay, Bluff Gacha, what you give me? And I don't care if you give me anything, bruh. Okay, this I want this or this. If legendary, I want Buddha. Anything. Okay, you just give me a trash like. There it is, the Buddha fruit, bro. This guy sucks, bro. This is why I hate Zeolus, bro. Only give us trash. He gives me Buddha, not Buddha, but Eagle. You know he takes from bottle, you know? Take your fruit back. He take from bottle. I saw one of these YouTuber videos when he said Zeolus take from bottle. Or Kid Kid said it, or Jesse. Jesse is my one favorite YouTuber, and couple cool Kid Gaming, Uzas, Rep AP Indra, My Game 43. Yeah, I love all the YouTubers. But the YouTuber doesn't play block food. Yeah, get out of here, man. I need YouTuber that play block. Hey, if Kid Gaming watching this, can you give me permanent Kid Gaming or any YouTuber? Can you give me any perm like bomb, smoke, spike, flame, ice? Ice I wanna trade for that. I want really need Buddha. I need Buddha and Kitsune. Kitsune and Tiger. Yeah, I need that too. Because I wanna really try it. I wanna try it because this is a mythical. Oh, like if we will picture clouds. Let's go. Haunted Castle. Hopefully we get the devil title because Kid gave it. So Juju bot, just get it. That's the Juju bot jealous. He said pray and he get it. Pray. Okay, you finish praying. Nothing. It's like poop, bro. Hey, yeah. No. I don't have any bones. You know it's sleeping, right? So I'm gonna go back into sea castle to check anything different. Okay, nothing. So stay tuned for part 2 and comment me where is part 2. Comment me right now. Keep gaming. If you're watching this, have a good life on Block Fruits. Hopefully you success and get into Ullah account. Not Ullah account but the admin. Good luck. Okay, and keep gaming. I don't want any of your perm. Cause you can keep it. I don't care. If you wanna text me on I have a Discord. I'm gonna take you to my Discord and I'm gonna make you join my Discord, and I already did that. So give me, if you wanna give me, just text me on Discord. Yeah, you just okay. If you wanna give it really badly, just text me in Discord. Kiki give me or any YouTuber. If you wanna give me, don't worry. I really want it. But stay tuned for part 2, YouTuber and players. Bye bye.